You probably don't think of yourself as a high-tech manufacturing plant, but right now, your body is functioning as an incredibly productive peptide factory. Thousands of different molecules are being churned out every second, each with a specific mission to keep you alive and functioning. These aren't just background noise. They are the active participants in nearly every physiological system you have. Understanding how your body builds these compounds is the essential foundation for anyone interested in the science of health and human biology. The primary assembly line is the ribosome. It starts in your cell nucleus, where information stored in your DNA is transcribed into messenger RNA. This mRNA carries the blueprints out to the ribosome, where the actual construction happens. It's a precise process, linking amino acids together like beads on a string. Interestingly, your body often builds these as longer chains called propeptides, which are essentially rough drafts that get trimmed down into their final active forms. Think of insulin. It starts as a longer molecule and is carefully edited until it's ready to regulate your blood sugar. But the body is versatile. While most peptides follow the DNA to RNA route, some are built by special enzyme complexes without any genetic template at all. This non-ribosomal pathway is how we get vital antioxidants like glutathione, which protects your cells from oxidative stress. There is even a third method called proteolytic cleavage. Instead of building from scratch, the body uses enzymes called proteases to act like molecular scissors, cutting specific functional peptide fragments out of much larger proteins. This is exactly how we get bioactive peptides from collagen to support our connective tissues. The real challenge for the body isn't just making these molecules, it's making sure it doesn't make too many or too few. We rely on complex feedback loops to keep everything in balance. If levels get too high, the system shuts down production. If they drop, it ramps back up. Even after a peptide is built, the body often adds finishing touches, like disulfide bonds, to ensure it actually works.